design skills or expensive
wondered why
apps.
you wake up tired even
Let's
after
get
8
started.
hours of sleep?
First,
Well,
open your
the
browser
answer might
and
not
go
be
to
about how long you
stickermaker.app.
sleep.
It's a
but how
free
well you
online
sleep.
tool where you can easily
And
make
today,
WhatsApp
I'll
stickers
show you the
using
best
any
free
image
app you
that
like.
helps you understand
You
your
can
sleep
also
cycle,
download the Sticker
improve
Maker
rest
app from the
quality,
Play Store or App
and wake
Store
up
if you
feeling
prefer
refreshed
working
every
on your
morning.
phone.
Once
dive
you're on
in.
the site, click.
Your body
Create
goes
a
through
new
different
sticker
sleep
pack.
stages.
Give
Light
your pack
sleep,
a name,
deep sleep,
and add your
and
creator
REM.
name. This will
Without
appear
proper
when
balance,
you send your stickers
your brain
to friends.
can't fully recover.
Now,
And
click.
that's why you
Add
feel
sticker
groggy or
and choose
unmotivated
any
the
photo
next day.
from your gallery.
Tracking your
Here's
sleep
the fun
helps you
part.
discover patterns.
The tool
Like what
automatically
time you should
removes
go
the
to
background,
bed,
how
so your
stress
image
affects
looks
your
clean
rest,
and ready
and
for
which
WhatsApp.
habits make your nights better.
If it doesn't remove
And
them
the best
perfectly,
part,
you can use
you
the
don't
eraser
need a
tool to
smartwatch
manually
or
clean up
expensive
the
equipment
edges.
to start.
It only takes a few
Meet Sleep
seconds.
Cycle,
One of the
After
best
that,
free
you
apps
can
to
add
track
text,
your sleep
emojis,
effortlessly. Or decorations
This app
to make
listens
your
to your
sticker
breathing
stand
and
out.
movement using your phone's
For example,
microphone
you can
or
add funny
accelerometer.
captions, reaction
When you go
words
to bed,
like LOL,
just place your
or
phone near you,
OMG,
and Sleep
or
Cycle
even your
automatically
face with different
analyzes your
expressions.
sleep quality throughout
Once
the
you're
night.
done, tap save
In the morning,
and your sticker
it wakes
will
you
be
up
added
gently
to the pack.
during your lightest
When you
sleep
have at
phase,
least 3 stickers,
so you
click
feel more
Add
energized
to
instead of
WhatsApp.
shocked by a loud
The app
alarm.
will instantly transfer
Sleep
your new
Cycle
pack
gives you
into your
detailed
WhatsApp
graphs showing
sticker
how long
section.
you spent in each
Just
sleep
open any
stage.
chat.
Tap the
You
emoji
can also see
icon,
trends
then
over
the
time.
sticker tab,
Like
and
average
boom,
bedtime,
your custom
sleep
stickers are
efficiency,
ready to send,
and even snoring
it's
patterns.
that simple. The app
You can
provides
create
daily
meme stickers,
insights and
your
tips
own
to
face
improve your
stickers,
sleep hygiene,
or brand logos,
such as adjusting your
all
bedtime,
in under a minute,
limiting caffeine,
and the best part,
or managing screen
you can
time
update
before
the
bed.
same pack anytime.
It also
and keep
syncs
adding
with
new
Apple
designs
Health or
without
Google
limits.
Fit, so you can
If you
track
want to
your
get even
overall
more
wellness
creative,
in one place.
try using AI
And
image
the best
generators
thing,
like Bing Image
the free
Creator
version
or
already
Canva's
includes
Magic
everything
Studio
you
to
need to
design
start
unique sticker
improving your
ideas.
sleep tonight.
Then just
If you've
upload
been
them to
struggling
Sticker
to wake
Maker,
up refreshed
remove the
or want to
background,
understand your
and
sleep
you've got
habits
professional
better,
looking
download
stickers
Sleep
instantly.
Cycle. It's
So
completely
that's
free
it.
on
A
Android
quick and easy
iOS.
way to create WhatsApp
Start
stickers
tracking
in
your sleep
seconds.
tonight and see how
If you
small
found this
changes
video
can make a
helpful,
huge
give it a
difference
like
in your energy,
and don't
mood,
forget to
and
subscribe
focus.
for more short tech
Better
tutorials.
sleep means a better life.
Thanks for watching.
So,
and
are you
have
ready
fun
to
making
sleep
your own
smarter?
stickers. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.